Hello. In this video, I will show you how to remove a show from continue watching in Paramount Plus. Now, it's an extremely easy process. All you have to do is firstly open your browser, then simply go to your Paramount Plus. Now, you can also do this on your Android or iOS device or on your TV as well. It's totally up to you. Now, what you have to do is just simply scroll down, and below you will have the option of keep watching, as you can see right over here. Now, in order to remove any one of the shows, all you have to do is just simply click on this edit option right over here. And then you will be able to see two small squares. Just simply choose them, and then once you will do that, you will be able to see two small circles on top of the shows. Now, what you have to do is just simply click on the circles, as you can see right over here. For example, this one, and the circle is not checked. Now, once the show is checked, click on this remove option, and then just like that, the show will be removed, as you can see right over here. So that's the only option that you can use to remove any continue watching shows from Paramount Plus. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.